Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Anuja. Nice to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you some pieces of sustainable, planet-friendly clothing and how I would style simple pieces for a chic look for everyday wear. As always, all the links will be down in the description box below. The tops that I'll be showing you guys are from a place called Wholesome Culture, which is an online website, and I've picked out 5 cute pieces for you all, which are made from sustainable products like recycled bottles. So, let's get started. The first tee is this gorgeous Be Kind Eco t-shirt. I love the simplicity, the print, and the message it gives out. This actually comes in a lot of different colors, and I just love the simplicity of it. It's so comfortable and soft to the touch. I'm pairing this with a pair of super comfy mom jeans. I basically live in these. There's just something about a white tee and jeans that never goes out of style. I usually either do a side tuck or fully tuck the tee under the jeans to put it all together. For this, I'm bringing in my beige/nude flats with small gold detail to keep the look neutral. And to finish the whole look, I thought I'd throw in this similar coloured blazer. This is a great way to make a simple look very versatile. So easy to put together and super comfortable to get you through the day. Love that. Next up is this black eco tee saying help more bees, plant more trees and clean the seas. I love the clean cut look of this and the simple crew neck. A trick to give a simple t-shirt an edge is to roll up the sleeves, especially if there's a generous length of sleeves like this one. I'm putting this together with another pair of jeans. This is also one of my favorites. It's got a paper bag waist with a tie detail and boyfriend cut. You can obviously see that there's a theme of comfort in the clothes I wear. I'm going to wear my Skechers white kicks with this. Again, such a classic combination with blue jeans and is again so versatile with most looks. I can see myself wearing this for a catch up with friends or for a summer roadie. It's just so comfortable. I'm going to show how much a jacket has influence on the whole look with this faux leather jacket. I've had this for so long. It's got so much detail going on, especially with the gold zippers. If you know me, you know how much I love that black and gold combination. I especially love the corrugated padded shoulders. I know some people don't like that, but when it's done right, it can look really great. Definitely another winner in my books. This third tee is this cream or off-white t-shirt with neutral prints with the wording, protect our waters, save the planet. Yes, please, let's do that. This is again so soft and breathable and just a great throw on for any everyday occasion. This I'm going to pair with a simple pair of black tights. Again, I'm pairing this with my white kicks because it's just a classic combination which never lets me down. I went through a whole phase of wearing tights with long tops when I was younger, and I love bringing it back occasionally. Now, while this isn't a super long top, it's long enough to cover up and make the look classy despite the simplicity. Topping it off is this long, beautiful beige trench coat with a tie at the waist. And of course, it has big pockets on either side to hide your snacks. I love pairing anything with this coat. It's really warm and is literally like a giant hug, especially during winter. If you don't already own one, I'd highly recommend a trench coat. It's just honestly so versatile for any season or weather. Next up is a whole lot of coziness with this white long-sleeved jumper, with the saying being "kind is cool," which I think is the absolute truth. I usually love to roll up the sleeves, kind of in a messy way, to bring a relaxed calmness to this look. It's perfect for autumn or winter and just super comfortable to wear. I've paired this with a black silky midi skirt that I am obsessed with, and I just tucked the jumper a little bit to bring a nice silhouette. Surprise, surprise, the white sneakers again go a long way. I love the black and white contrast, but also the contrast of the two material. What a perfect combination. Last but definitely not the least is this beautiful crew neck sweatshirt in this light olive green colour, and it says "a little more kindness, a little less judgment." It's got a very generous hood with two little straps that you can use to tighten. I just wish you guys could feel this, because this has to be one of the softest jumpers I've ever had. I've paired it with a pair of black joggers with the jumper just tucked in slightly to bring a cute, everyday sporty look. If you're into athleisure like the majority of us, this look is so easy to put together, whether you're actually working out or just running an errand, or in my case, just cozying up on the couch to read a good book. Either way, you're all sorted. And that's it. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I finish, I just want to say a couple of things. So the shop that I got my tops, including this one, is from Wholesome Culture. If you haven't heard of this brand, I actually came across it through Instagram of all places, and I just fell in love with the Be Kind t-shirt, and after that I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give it a go, and I bought a couple of things, and as you saw, I love each of those pieces. Like, they're so soft to the touch, they are good quality, and they give a really nice message as well. So this is a brand that is all about ethically sourced products, sustainability, which is amazing because I am kind of wanting to know more about where my clothes are made. I mean, the rest of my clothes, obviously I don't really know how they are made, but that's why I want to make different choices when it comes to buying clothing. I want to support more of the brands that are sustainable, that are helping the planet essentially. This is not sponsored, they didn't approach me, they didn't ask me to do this. I just purely wanted to do it because I feel like a lot of us don't even think about where our clothes are made and how they are made and what sacrifices are being made to get that product to you. I just want what I'm wearing to say something about myself as well, which is why I'm trying to make this change. So if you are thinking along the same lines, or if I've convinced you otherwise, go check out their website. I'll leave the details down in the description box below, and I'll leave a link to all the ones that I bought as well, so that you can go and check them out. I hope you guys are well. I hope you're happy. Sending a ton of love to each and every one of you. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be about lipsticks, and these lipsticks are freaking beautiful. So I will see you soon. Bye guys.